One of the lovely customs that we have at our Rosh Hashanah dinner is that we have all of these symbols, these signs called simanim. And we do them traditionally every single year. We dip the apple in the honey. We eat pomegranate seeds. We have carrots that we eat called meron. And we have all of these different symbols. And the question is, what's really the importance of this and why do we really do it? So there are many reasons given. I want to share one that I heard from my grandfather, of blessed memory, Rabbi Shlomo Wolbe. He said that every minute of Rosh Hashanah is a microcosm of the entire year that's about to unfold. Every deed that we do is really an expanded event. It could be 1 hour of Rosh Hashanah. It's 48 hours. It's about 49 hours of Rosh Hashanah. It's probably about 1 week. So if we're angry on Rosh Hashanah, it can have a negative angry effect on our upcoming year. If we're happy on Rosh Hashanah, it can have a happiness effect on our coming year. Everything that we do on Rosh Hashanah has an influence on the coming year. This is one of the reasons why our sages instituted this dipping the apple in the honey. We want to have a sweet new year. So by having this sweetness, what we're doing is we're expanding the sweetness on to the rest of the year. Additionally, we eat from the head of a fish, and we say we should be always like the head, we shouldn't be like the tail. We should always be leaders and not followers. And there are many, many different ideas. And what our sages tell us is that every one of these signs, these symbols, is really a blessing that we're trying to instill, that we're trying to be blessed with. So throughout the coming year, it should be filled with success. It should be filled with all of these wonderful good omens, these good signs. So it's really important for us to not only do these signs, but it's also important for us to really maximize this day to be as good as we can possibly be. Because the impact that from these 2 days has a very lasting effect on our entire year to come. May God bless us that this coming year should be a fantastic year, a year filled with sweetness like the honey, a year of plenty, a year filled with mitzvahs like the pomegranate seeds, like a pomegranate that has so many little seeds, so too we should be filled with mitzvahs. And each one of these signs should bring us a year that is filled with happiness, joy, health, and success. And Shana Tova to you and your family from all of us here at Torch. Shana Tova.